Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Data Dude. So as a beginner, we always think which code editor or IDE is best for data science. So I'm going to answer this question today. So basically what I recommend to the people who is just starting in the field of data science, or as a data scientist as we grow on the advanced levels, all kind of data scientists use this one most popular IDE, which is Jupyter Notebook. Now many of you are thinking that why Jupyter Notebook? There are VS Code, there are Atom, there are Pythons. I itself has an IDE, there's a PyCharm, right? But why Jupyter Notebook? So let's discuss this. So first thing first, it provides an environment where you can document your code, run it, look at the outcome. You can as visualize the data, see the result without leaving the environment. It is the most important thing as a data scientist you do in your journal daily life, because you took data from somewhere, process the data cleaning, you visualize the data, and then you process the data for modeling purpose. So you can do it all in this one particular place in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook really shines when you are still in the prototyping phase, because your code is written in independent cells which are executed individually. So now let's see how we can install Jupyter Notebook. So first thing, you can install it through Anaconda Distribution. Second, you can install it through pip installation. As a beginner, I will recommend you to download it through Anaconda prompt or Anaconda Distribution. There are so much benefits while you install it through Anaconda Distribution. Let's see what kind of benefits we get. First thing, Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R. So you got both the languages installed in Anaconda distribution. Second thing, it's free and open source, and it makes packages management and deployment simpler. The second most important benefit of Anaconda distribution is it has 1500 plus Python and R data science packages. So as a daily routine of a data scientist, we generally use too much or too many packages in a life. Like there is a different packages for data cleaning, there is a different package for data importing, there is a different package for modeling purpose, there is different packages for advanced machine learning libraries. So we need to download all of the packages from somewhere. But if we go through the Anaconda distribution, we don't have to download these many packages, and they come inbuilt in the Anaconda distribution. It creates an environment that is easily manageable and deploying any project. We can use NumPy pandas to analyze data scalably and fast. We can perform visualization and matplotlib to visualize the data. So that's why I should recommend you to download Anaconda distribution. Now let's see how to install Anaconda distribution. So guys, to download Anaconda distribution, open your browser, search for Anaconda free download. So there is an official website of Anaconda. You can click on that, you can go there, you can go to products, individual edition. There you can go down. There is the Anaconda installers. You can choose according to your machine, like for Windows 64-bit, 32-bit, for the Apple or Mac users, and this is for Linux also. So you can click on this, it is start installing. As I have already Anaconda installed on my machine, so I will cancel it. Once it will download, you can go to the installation process and install it. That's it for today's session. We'll discuss next thing in the next session. Thank you.